Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving into an absolutely wild conceptual breakthrough from the year 2026. It's called the FMO Hybrid AI Technical Report, authored by Lázaro López Paz with some technical heavy lifting from Grok. This research proposes something that honestly sounds like a mad scientist's fever dream. I mean, we're talking about directly merging quantum biology with artificial intelligence. In this explainer, we're going to break down and explain this entire project step by step, so let's just dive right in.
So the massive question driving this whole thing is simply this. Can quantum biology actually improve artificial intelligence? To figure that out, we're going to follow a highly structured, almost factory line journey of data. We're going to take raw biological processes, push them through the incredibly intense laws of open quantum mechanics, and then feed that straight into a neural network to see if it actually makes the AI demonstrably smarter. And here is our exact roadmap. We'll start with 1, the biological FMO model. Then, step 1, HEOM quantum dynamics, step 2, SVD unitary dilation, step 3, error mitigation, step 4, AI benchmark, and finally, number 6, conclusions and limitations. Let's get to it. Okay, section 1, the biological FMO model, the starting point. This is the raw biological material going into our factory. Right at the very heart of this pipeline is something called the FMO, the Fenner-Matthews-Olson complex. Basically, it's this microscopic structure found inside green sulfur bacteria that harvests sunlight and transfers that energy with almost perfect, mind-boggling efficiency. Energy literally zips through this highly interconnected 7-site network using what physicists call coherent transfers. It's not just a metaphor. It is literal biology operating under strict quantum rules. But here's the catch, right? How do you put a light-harvesting bacterium into a computer algorithm? Well, you have to convert all that squishy biology into hard math. To do that, the researchers use the Frankel-Hamiltonian. Think of this as the ultimate rulebook for our quantum game. It defines the specific energy states of each biological site, that's represented by the symbol epsilon, and exactly how strongly these sites interact or couple with each other, which is J. For instance, the mathematical interaction between site 1 and 2 is a super strong -106 inverse centimeters. Boom, we've just turned biology into raw, processable data. Moving on to step 1, HEOM quantum dynamics, modeling the environment. We have our math rules, but now we have to simulate where this biology actually lives. Before we get totally lost in the mathematical weeds here, it's super helpful to look at the unified pipeline. We're walking down this exact factory line today. We kick off with HEOM, which stands for hierarchical equations of motion. Then we prep our data for the quantum hardware, mitigate all the nasty errors, and eventually land at the hybrid AI benchmark to test the results. Right out of the gate, the simulation uses something called the Drude-Lorentz spectral density.